Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have this button, the Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. You can manage its sounds and vibrations, which will be enabled with the Do Not Disturb mode on. You can also manage notifications, visual, sound notifications, and other kind of notifications here. You can add exceptions for this mode, for calls, for example, for calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or for no one. There is also an option allow repeat callers if the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period. The same goes to messages, reminders, events. You can set its default duration here, and you can also add a rule. Rule is basically just a schedule for this mode, so you can add a schedule and this mode will be automatically turned on and turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.